Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if it is useful for you. Let's start. So our today agenda will be the code coverage, the Sonar Q code coverage. So when we are writing our code, right? When we are pushing our code, there is a quality gate is running that will check our code coverage. And now these days, people are expecting 100% code coverage. So keeping that in mind, I thought I will create this video for you guys. So you come to marketplace under plugins, you will see the marketplace. Under that, you can search for Sonar Qube. So you will get two options: Sonar Qube for ID, and the other one is Sonar Analyzer. These two you have to install. Since I have already installed, so you can see it is selected. It is installed already. So you have to install these two. Okay. So I will show you how to run this and how we can understand that what is the percentage of code coverage. Okay. Let's start. Let me close this. So I have already written one basic class, okay, and with for that I have already generated a test also to cover all the code initially, and then we'll run the coverage, okay. So once you install, so I have generated this code through GitHub Copilot. If you can see, yeah, this is the link. It was my previous videos. If you want to include this plugin, you can add this. So this I have written the prompt. It generated the test case for this particular class, main class. So I copied it and pasted in my class here. So this is how I generated this test case. Okay. So from here, if you click here, earlier it was showing only main test and debug one, run and debug. Now you can see there is another option for run the test with coverage. Okay. So this is the class. Okay. So it will check this particular class with the test cases whether all the methods, branch, and the code lines is covered or not. So I clicked on coverage. So if you're running on the second time onwards, this pop-up will come. You have to just click replace active source so that it will override the latest update result basically. So I just click on done task so that every time it will not come. So here you can see the result, right? Current class is 100%, method is 100%, line is 100%, and branch is 100%. So everything is covered. Since I have generated the code with GitHub Copilot, looks like it's covered everything. Okay. So here you can see this green bar, right? It shows that this much is covered. Okay. These lines are covered, showing in green. If there is an issue, it will show you in other colors. Okay. In IntelliJ, you can see 100% method. This also IntelliJ is very they can tell like this also. You can see here it's also. Now, if you see, what I will do is I will delete some of the coverage test, okay, and then you can see what other crush is showing for which code is not covered. So let me see which code I can delete. Okay, let's try to delete from here onwards so they will get more issues, not covered one. So now we can run the coverage again. We'll see. So if you see now, the class is 100%, method is 100%, line is only 61%, right? Class is 100%, method 100%, and line is only 61%, and the branch coverage is only 50%. Okay. Now you'll see in the class. You can come here and you can see, let me close it. You can see it is in red. Why it is in red is this line of code is not covered with our test case. So that we need to cover. So in IntelliJ, you can see which lines are covered, which lines are not. This line is covered since it is in green color, right? Some faded color with a red means that particular some partial line is not covered. That's why it's saying faded color. So when you dark red, it means you have to cover properly. If it is in the block of code, if some line of code is not covered, it will show like that. That's why it's showing line is 61% and branch is 50% only. Okay. So it is very useful with IntelliJ, the Sonar Qube, before pushing your code.